In a high-dimensional world like ours, there are billions of variables which could influence an outcome. The great challenge is to figure out which variables are directly relevant, i.e., which variables mediate the influence of everything else. In practice, this looks like finding mediators and hunting down sources of randomness. Once we have a set of control variables which is sufficient to, approximately, determine the outcome, we can, approximately, rule out the relevance of any other variables in the rest of the universe. Given the control variables. A remarkable empirical finding across many scientific fields, at many different scales and levels of abstraction, is that a small set of control variables usually suffices. Most of the universe is not directly relevant to most outcomes most of the time. Ultimately, this is a picture of Gears level science. Look for mediation, hunt down sources of randomness, rule out the influence of all the other variables in the universe. This sort of research requires a lot of work compared to one-shot hypothesis tests, but it provides a lot more long-run value. Because all the other variables in the universe are irrelevant, we only need to control the control variables each time we want to reuse the model. Pr.